This is how to use my new tape rack. I've just invented it. It's the best tape rack I've invented in 30 years, and I've invented a few. It does everything. It does ordinary tape, so just ordinary sellotape or masking tape. Put the tape on if you're just using pull tape, and then you just slice little bits or longer bits, so you can get little bits of tape or you can get longer bits of tape. But the best thing about this tape rack is it will do the foil tape as well. So you have to peel the backer off the foil tape so you can get a start on it. And you just run the pizza cutter down you get a ton of bits of silver tape. That's the new tape rack.